So this will be a part of my video that I did on this channel with the microscope. It is almost an hour long, and I'm just gonna upload this first, just because why not, really? Now, if you're wondering what you're looking at, this is a low quality stream of my microscope. This is pre-recorded though, so all I have to do is a voiceover like I do in a lot of my videos, and right now you're looking at a camera. And the camera lens, I know it sounds weird, but it looks a lot like the microscope's lens, even though the microscope is, of course, a microscope. It's kind of cool since I have a hole punch camera, which, if you're watching this, you probably know a bit about tech, and you know that a hole punch camera is when it's not actually like taking up a lot of room. It's in the middle of the screen, kind of like an iPhone, but a lot different. And this part is not nasty, but it's very dirty. You can see a lot of dirt everywhere. And it's very interesting to see the pixels also. I wish this stream was higher quality. This says it's 720p. It was actually in 1080p. I'm surprised Google Photos would even say that. But, yeah. And of course, with every display, these pixels that you're viewing right now are going to look different. But this display is higher quality. So even right here, this is a low resolution picture of a camera. It is still high quality. It still looks pretty good and smooth. And even though this part right here is very blurry, you can still tell there's pixels here on the display. Since this is a folding phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, there is a crease right here. It is a cracked crease, so it does look kind of weird. It would probably look a lot better if you could actually see the pixels while it was a brand new fold, because, I mean, it must be so weird for the pixels to fold and everything. And right here, I mean, that's just insane. You can see the pixels where the crease is. It proves that it's not two separate screens, as some people may think. I don't know why they would, but if you do, I mean, this just proves against that. This is insane. This is the back camera lens, which is a lot better. I'd love to do this on my Note 20, since that has a much higher quality camera, but I'm not going to do that, unfortunately. We are just going to do the Z Flip in this video. And yeah, you can see a lot of scratches here. And what I'm doing is I'm kind of rubbing my finger against the glass to smear it and show you what it looks like. I know that sounded kind of weird, but in this stream, you could have been able to see what it looks like, but maybe you can't, and this is almost over. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's pretty much all there was to this pretty much pointless video here. And yeah, I wish this was higher quality. If it was, this would be a complete video. Goodbye.